In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a proxy server in Brave on Windows. Before we start, a quick note on what we're doing and why. A proxy routes your browser traffic through a different server, which can help with network policies, testing from another location, or adding a layer of privacy. Because Brave uses your system's proxy settings on Windows, the change you make will apply system-wide for apps that follow Windows proxy configuration, not just Brave. Make sure you have the correct server address, port, and valid credentials from your proxy provider before proceeding. Open Brave and look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. Click it, choose Settings, then select System on the left. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Open your computer's proxy settings. Click that and Windows will open the System Proxy Configuration window. In the Windows Proxy window, scroll down to the section called Manual Proxy Setup. Turn on the switch that says Use a Proxy Server. Two fields will appear, one for the server address and one for the port. Carefully enter the IP address your provider gave you in the address field, and type the port number in the port field. Double-check both values. Even a small typo can prevent pages from loading. When everything looks right, click Save. Windows immediately stores and applies this setting. Now, head back to Brave. The next time you load a page, Brave may prompt you with a small login window asking for a username and password. These are your proxy credentials, typically provided by your proxy service. Enter them exactly as given. If you see an option to remember or save the credentials, choose it if you don't want to re-enter them each session, especially on a trusted device. If the credentials are wrong, the page won't load, so verify with your provider if you're unsure. A few quick tips to ensure smooth sailing. If pages time out, recheck the IP and port. Many providers offer multiple endpoints, so make sure you're using the intended one. Remember that using a proxy may affect speed depending on the server's location and load. If your organization manages your device, there may be policies in place that control or override these settings. That's it. You've configured Brave to use a proxy on Windows, entered your credentials, and you're ready to browse through your proxy connection.